round and round, spin it around and round again. This time, we're gonna have so much fun drawing with circles. Are you ready? All you need is your sketchbook, your crayons, and grab some copy paper too. Hey Crayon-san, are you awake? Give a big good morning to your crayons. Isn't the morning light so bright and dazzling? It's time to start drawing. What's your favorite color? Pick a color that makes you smile and let's get drawing. Can you make a circle? I just made one. Wow, I wonder what kind of circles we can draw next. Round and round, round and round, let's spin the other way now. There are so many different kinds of circles to try. Round and around you go. Draw however you like, just keep spinning those circles. What kind of picture did you make with all those circles? I can't wait to see. Thanks for drawing with me today. Don't forget to hit that like button and smash that subscribe